Welcome to the video on how to submit an ABC of Wisconsin Projects of Distinction Awards entry. There are two parts to this process. The first is registering the basic details of your project in the Intent to Compete area. You can also submit payment in this area. This first step allows you to be registered, and then you can come back at any time and add to your entry and eventually complete your submittal process. The second part is to provide the details of your entry, including the work performed, the project narrative, photos, safety information, etc. Let's get started with part 1. You'll need to use the portal link that ABC of Wisconsin provides. This link will get you into the login area to begin the process. Once you click on this link, you'll be able to create an account and provide basic information about yourself. You'll get an email confirming your registration. You'll use your email address and your password to log in at the portal. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your existing login credentials. You will start your entry by clicking the Entry option on the home page. Again, you do not need to complete your entry at this time, but you can provide the basic content and project information for your entry. It'll ask for your name, email, contract amount, those types of things to get you started. Once you fill in all the fields, you can click Add to Cart. At this point, you can make another submission, copy an existing entry, and submit again, perhaps in a different category. You can also make changes to an application or print applications. You can also click Check Out. Once your entries are listed with the intent to submit, you can check out. When you click on Check Out, you'll be taken to your shopping cart. There, it will allow you to pay by check or by PayPal. Paying by PayPal allows you to use a credit card. If you pay by check, you'll receive an invoice via email and have the opportunity to print an invoice from the portal. Checks must be paid by the entry deadline to be eligible for judging. Choose one of the two payment options and click Process. Once you complete payment, you're finished with Part 1. Now, if you continue or log in again, you'll see a notice that says, your application or applications require additional information. You can come back and continue your application at any time. Click on Click to continue. Your entries that you submitted during the Intent to Submit process should be listed here. You can open each entry by clicking the Open button. Notice at the top of the page that lists all the subsections of this part of the process. Applicant information, which is fairly basic. Project information, which is fairly straightforward. Contracted scope, which includes the type of work, size, value, length of work, etc. Subcontracted work performed, including your list of subcontractors and which of these are ABC members. Project narrative, which is a large point area. It gets into what's unique about your project, unusual circumstances, challenges, things like that. Photographs, which are important for marketing the award winners afterward. They must be JPEGs, and quality photos do help. We'd like to have 10 submitted, but 6 at a minimum. Safety, which is the largest point offering. It includes OSHA forms, substance abuse policy, safety orientations, etc. References, where the general contractors need letters from owners and architects, and subcontractors need letters from general contractors. If no general contractor was involved in the project, then subcontractors need to submit a letter from the owner. Supplemental materials, which are not required, but you can provide anything else here that makes your case that this was a really neat project, including news coverage, diagrams, other awards that were received for it, whatever you can think of here that will help your project. AQC, this is also optional. You would submit your AQC certificate. STEP is also optional, but strongly encouraged. It asks if your firm has completed the STEP application while the project was underway. Again, you would share your STEP certificate. You'll notice on some of these questions, they're asking for you to upload a file, that you can find the file on your computer and upload. You are then asked about social media accounts so we can promote winning projects afterwards. This is followed by your typical project agreement or waiver. You can click on any of these at any time. You can continue your application by working on the required information on each of the pages, but you'll want to save the work you've done on each of these areas. Once you're all done, you can click Save and Finalize. If you have any missing or invalid fields, you'll be shown these in red and you won't be able to continue or actually finalize the submittal. They'll need your attention before you can complete the entry. You can move through each page and click Save or Add to Cart to get to the next page or section that needs your attention. When all fields have been successfully completed and you have again clicked Add to Cart or Save, you will be back at the Review and Checkout screen. You can make another submission, make changes to your submission, print your applications, or check out. Completed submittals will be listed on the left under Completed. In-progress entries can also be found there. And that's it. You should be good to go. If you have questions or run into any problems, you can always contact me at 608-244-5883 or email kschwarm@abcwi.org. Thanks for watching the video, and best of luck to you.